Hey everyone, it is now officially 2023. It is January 2nd, and as promised, I'm announcing that we're going to be starting the Allyship Dojo, not this Wednesday, but next week. So I'm going to spend this next week basically breaking down all the things that you can expect in the Allyship Dojo, answer any questions for you before we get started. So simply put, the Allyship Dojo, it's going to be 2 hours a week on Wednesday evenings. We're going to be going through all the phases of effective allyship: waking up, cleaning up, growing up, showing up. We're going to be very specifically focusing on a waking up, cleaning up practice called Big Mind. We're going to do 8 weeks of Big Mind to get anyone who wants a deep dive into who they are. We're going to be focusing very specifically on how do you be an ally to yourself so that you can be an ally to others. And when you do this work, which is in the sort of parts work family, I don't know if you messed around with internal family systems or voice dialogue, any shadow work of some type, this is going to really resonate. But what it's going to do is it's going to increase your skill at perspective taking. It's going to increase your self-compassion. It's going to get you more energy as you resolve these sort of internal conflicts. And it's going to give you a lot of insights about all the complexities that are at play within you, which are also at play in everyone else who you're trying to be an effective ally to. After these 8 weeks, you'll have enough information and embodied experiences to help, at the very least, anyone start to identify what major internal blockages are stopping them from taking effective action, receiving effective allyship, taking the next step, or dealing with sort of any kind of emotional crisis that emerges. So these are kind of like the fundamentals. I'm excited to do it. It's been a while since I've done the dojo set, and I'm taking kind of a radically new approach that hopefully will benefit people. And hopefully I'll get some cool material that I'll be able to stick inside of the book. So I'm excited to see you there. If you have any more questions, let me know. There will be a recording afterwards. For everyone that signs up RSVPs to, I think I'm gonna make a Facebook event, you'll get the recordings for free. Otherwise, I'm gonna basically sell them as a package, just to really balance the, okay, got to give this stuff away for free so that people can actually get the benefit, while also recognizing that I have a business and that this work is very powerful. So hopefully for the people who really need it, they'll be able to make the time to show up live, or at the very least, again, just RSVP so I know who to send the recordings to. And then everyone else, again, totally can get access to the stuff. It'll just cost a little bit. So that's the breakdown for the Allyship Dojo, and I'm excited to see you guys tomorrow as we delve a little bit deeper.